Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to unbox this Phanteks Glacier 1 280 MP. So this is a 2x140 mm fan here, and this is designed in the Netherlands. I realized that this doesn't really get any much coverage in the internet, so I decided to do a video on this unboxing to share with you guys. And let's just quickly look at the specs here. So as you can see, this thing weighs 2 kg, and then the socket compatibility includes LGA 115X, 1200, 1366, 2011, 2011-3, 2066, and for AMD it also supports AM4, also as TRX4, TR4, which is for the Threadripper. And the Threadripper bracket is included when you buy the CPU, so it's not in this package. So here are the dimensions for the radiator. It's slightly thicker, as you can see. This is 27 mm. The usual one is 25. Now this is thicker, so in theory it should provide a better cooling. And the pump is by Phanteks, as you can see here, cooled by Phanteks. And so these are the speeds. So the motor speeds are 800 to 2800 plus or minus 300 rpm. And then the power, the pump PWM cable is 245 mm long. And then the material, and here's another pump cover here, which includes DRGB with the 3-pin cable, and the cable length is also displayed there. And if you were wondering, this is the pump cover here. So it's actually a pump, and then this thing gets attached onto it, magnet with magnet, and it comes with RGB. And without further ado, let's move on to the tubes. So it's 400 millimeters long with diameter of 11 millimeters, and it also comes with 3 clips, so I'll show you later on. And these are the fans. So these are PWM fans, standard sizes 140 millimeters, and the speed starts from 500 to 2000 plus or minus 10% rpm. The airflow is 93.905 CFM, which is pretty high, and the fan static pressure is 3.59, pretty good also. The noise at the maximum, I believe, is 39.1 dBA. I think that's common noise level. Connector comes with 4-pin PWM, and then there's the cable length of 145 mm daisy chain, which is a very good feature, and I'll show you on later. And then it also comes with extension cable and splitter cable, and this cooler comes with 6 years warranty, so this is a very good long warranty. Let's have a look at the other side of the boxes. So there's nothing on this side, and then this just shows you the dimensions. So as you can see, this is 27 millimeters thick, so beware of that. And then the back of the box here, so it says full cover cap with DRGB infinity mirror, clean full cover design, tempered glass window, smooth and diffuse DRGB lighting, easy and secure magnetic mounting. Yeah, so silent MP 140 PWM fans, high surface area blades for high pressure performance, aerodynamically optimized for silent operation. And the pump, like I said, is using those designed by Phanteks, temperature control PWM pump, secure and reliable cooperation. And the pump also comes with maximum clearance, low profile pump cap to reduce height, rotary fittings stay close to pump to maximize ram clearance. Intuitive installation, so it's compatible with all common Intel and AMD sockets, toolless intuitive mounting system, extra pH NDC thermal compound included and pre-applied. Now mine doesn't come with it because this is a used set. And then the flexible tubing with durable braid sleeving, 3 times tube clips included to guide the tubing and fan cable. So without further ado, let me just pull out what's inside and show you the content. Now bear in mind that this is a used set, so it doesn't come with the thermal paste, but at the very least everything else should be in the box. So let me just put everything out here with one hand. So at first you'll be greeted by this thick black cardboard here, and they actually wants you to show your build on Facebook and Instagram. Here it is. This is the receipt, sorry, and then this is the manual itself. So what do you get inside this box? You should be getting all of this, which is a lot, but yeah, I'll show you. So first up, this is the the thing that attach using magnet onto the pump itself. Yep, so there's a panel here, and then there's supposed to be RGB lighting, and then we have a bit of a padding here that should help with a bit of noise cancelling or reducing the noise, and we have a little bit of a pin here that you need to connect a wire here, so for RGB control. And next, let's just move on to the fan itself. So both are covered in a paper box. Here is the fan itself. It's white in color, pretty huge, and you can see the huge blades here, 7 blades here. Sorry, 6 blades, and these are huge blades designed for maximizing the static pressure. So hopefully, supposedly silent, and you have some rubber here to reduce vibration and noise. Cool. And this is the connector, and what they mean by daisy chain is right here there's another kind of like a splitter here, so you can connect another fan wire to this and then just connect this to your motherboard, which really ease out the the cable management and the setup. Cool idea by Phanteks. I like this. And then you have all sorts of brackets here. So as you can see, this is for the AM4, right? And they also give you cables for Glacier ones, all sorts of cable, including all the RGB cables here. Let me just pop them out for you to have a look. Here is the fan splitter. No, I'm sorry, I think this is fan extender. So and then this is the RGB light that you connect to this. Okay, moving on, we have the clips here, which really helps with you. This clips onto the water sleeves there. Then it helps with the tidiness and then the cable management. This is a good touch. I don't really see much AIO comes with this, and yeah, this is a nice touch by Phanteks. What else? Yeah, so we have the brackets for Intel 1700s and all sorts of other Intel brackets, I suppose. Then what is this? Screws for your fans. And yeah, last but not least is the radiator and the pump itself. So it comes in like this, and it's pre-installed with the Intel bracket, and usually you will have a thermal paste pre-applied here, but in this case mine don't, because this is a used set. But as you can see, huge copper base, and then this pre-installed with the Intel bracket, and you just need to give it a little bit of spin to open it, but I am unable. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, and then you spin it back to lock it in. And so this is the pump itself. So this is the Aztec pump, but then we have the Phanteks branding here, and then these two points here are the magnet points that you latch your RGB panel up here. So if I can just give you a quick demo, yeah, and it will look so. Here is the pump wire that connects to your motherboard also. So this is also run by PWM. And this is the sleeving itself. And here is the radiator itself. So it's protected by another layer of paper box. And this is the fins itself. So slightly thicker. Remember, this is 27 millimeters. So yeah, you need to be careful of your case dimensions, and then probably your GPU too if you mount this at the front of your case. And that's about it. And yeah, I'll be installing this into my PC and try to see how much it improves in terms of temperature and noise levels. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you find it useful, and I will catch you out with next time. Bye bye.